Today I'm going to share 7 Google Ads mistakes you could be making preventing you from getting leads and sales consistently from your search campaigns, your YouTube advertising campaigns, and your Google Display Network campaigns. So mistake number 1 is running ads without having set up or configured your conversion events. Setting up your conversion events properly is critical if you want to run Google Ads profitably. So if you're unsure of how to do this, I'm going to link to a video in the description as well as somewhere up in the corner of this video that'll show you step by step how to do this. Now, mistake number 2 is using broad keyword targeting in your campaigns. Now, while broad keyword targeting can get you more impressions, oftentimes your ads will end up showing for random keywords that are at best very loosely related to the keywords that you want to show your ads for. Now, we recommend using a seed keyword strategy that uses a combination of phrase match and exact match keywords and using one keyword per ad group. Mistake number 3 is not utilizing negative keywords. Negative keywords or keyword exclusions allow you to tell Google to not show your ads if certain keywords or phrases are used. For example, if you're selling premium goods, then a good choice of negative keywords would be cheap, discount, or bargain. Mistake number 4 is in your country selection when setting up your ads. When you choose your country of targeting in your campaign setup, by default, Google will show it to people who are present in or have an interest in your chosen country. Now, obviously, this isn't ideal, so instead, you want to make sure you choose present in only from the drop-down menu in the location options. Mistake number 5 is not excluding all third-party apps from your campaigns. Generally, we find these apps don't convert and we always recommend excluding them, at least until you're at the scaling phase and looking to maximize the results of an already blockbuster campaign. To exclude all mobile apps, go into your account, go to your ad campaign and placements, then exclusions, and then select exclude from the campaign and add the following: mobile app category, semicolon, 69,500. Mistake number 6 is on your overall campaign strategy. One of the most important factors to your campaign success is how you structure your campaigns from the get-go. Now, if you want to see our exact campaign strategy for setting up profitable Google Ads campaigns, I recommend you watch our new Google Ads tutorial, which I'll link in the description and somewhere on this video as well. Mistake number 7 is outlandish ROI expectations. Google Ads, whether it's search campaigns, YouTube, or Google Display Network, can be and are a fantastic vehicle to help you get more leads, more customers, more appointments, and more sales, but you need to have the right expectations. Campaigns on Google generally take some time to get into gear, and you need to have the right mindset and expectations when running them. Say, for example, if you're expecting to run campaigns at $5 or $10 a day and generate a 10x ROI consistently and start scaling that, you'd be better off keeping that spend and focusing more on another strategy altogether. The economics of media buying, as in how much your traffic is costing you and how well your funnel or your offer works at converting your traffic into sales, is something people oftentimes don't pay enough attention to. We generally focus on 3 levels of acquisition aggression, as we call it, when it comes to our media buying. Level 1 is for those who wish to make a profit from their new customer acquisition. As in, if they're willing to spend, say, $100 to get a customer, they're hoping that customer will spend, say, $150 or $200 on the day to become a customer. Level 2 is those who are willing to break even on their new customer acquisition. As in, if a new customer spends on average of $150 on day 0, the day to become a customer, they're willing to spend up to $150 to acquire that customer. This means you're generating new customers at no cost to you since your ad spend is liquidated. Level 3 is when you're willing to go negative on your new customer acquisition. For example, let's say a new customer spends on average $150 on day 0, but you're willing to spend $200 to acquire them. Meaning you're willing to go negative $50 to acquire a customer because you know your numbers and you know on average new customers will spend an additional X after 7 days, an additional Y after 14 days, Z after 30 days, and so on and so on. This is where the real money in your business is made, in the back end and the back end promotions. Now, we recommend most people aim to operate at level 2 with their customer acquisition so they can break even and acquire new customers for free. So there you go. There's 7 mistakes you could be making that are preventing you from getting the results you want to get from your Google Ads. Now, Be honest, how many are you making, or did I leave any of them out? There's obviously lots of other mistakes you could be making as well. I just wanted to document some of the most prominent 7. Let me know in the comments if you are making any of these, or if there are any ones that you think that are just as important as well. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe to this channel for future videos. And also be sure to check out our Google Ads playlist, which will be constantly updating and linking new videos too. I'll link it at the end of this video so you can watch it immediately.